The early equity market rally this morning is losing a little bit of steam, but we saw yields come off a little bit from their highs. And right now, as I speak to you, the Russell's actually up just short of 0.5%. The Dow is up about 0.2%. The S&P is up about right between 0.1 and 0.2%, and the NASDAQ is down almost 0.2%. We were higher earlier. We lost a little steam, went negative across the board except for the Russell, and now we're sort of climbing back out. And I mentioned yields have come down a little bit from their highs, but as I speak to you right now, they are still basically higher across the board from where they were at the end of the week last week. We got the 2-year up 3, the 5-year up 4, the 10-year up 3, and the 30-year up 3. That's all on a yield basis. Now, pending home sales fell 13.6%, a huge number, and the Dallas Manufacturing Index fell from negative 7.3 last month to negative 17.7. That's a huge downgrade of a manufacturing index from one of the Federal Reserves. Now, the dollar is weaker and commodities are on the rise. The dollar's down 0.4% against the euro, 0.3% against the British pound, and just below unchanged against the Japanese yen. The G7 didn't really have anything groundbreaking. They're really focused on security. U.S. durable goods came in better than expected, which gave a little bit of a lift to commodities, up 0.7 on both the headline and the ex-transportation, and that was versus an expectation of up 0.1 and up 0.3 respectively on the headline and the ex-transportation number. Now, looking ahead, ECB President Christine Lagarde speaking this afternoon, NATO summit tomorrow. We'll see if anything comes out about that in reference to the Russia-Ukraine conflict. And then tomorrow we get German GfK consumer confidence, another Christine Lagarde speech, the home price index, and the Conference Board's consumer confidence index in the U.S., along with San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly giving a speech.